Perfect Complementary Colors for Purple and Pink.
Hello there, color enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of color theory and discuss the perfect complementary colors for a palette that includes purple and pink.
What are complementary colors?
In color theory, complementary colors are those that are directly opposite each other on the color wheel. When combined, they create a vibrant contrast that is often visually appealing. In this context, however, we'll be looking at colors that harmonize and complement a given palette, in this case, purple and pink.
What are some complementary colors for purple?
Purple, being a mix of blue and red, sits between these two primary colors on the color wheel. Complementary colors for purple typically include yellows, golds, and certain shades of greens. These colors help bring out the richness of purple. Let's remember that lighter shades of green can create a soft, romantic atmosphere, while darker greens or olive tones add a more mature, sophisticated touch.
What are some complementary colors for pink?
Pink, a tint of red, is another versatile color that works well with a variety of shades. Complementary colors for pink include turquoise, light blues, mint greens, and even grays. These colors help balance the softness of pink with a cooling effect, providing a refreshing visual contrast.
Bringing it all together.
If you're designing a color scheme that involves both purple and pink, consider adding greens, blues, or even yellows to your palette. These will add depth and contrast to your design. Keep in mind, the specific shades you choose will greatly influence the mood. Lighter, pastel shades tend to be softer and more romantic, while darker, more saturated shades bring intensity and drama. And there you have it. Now you're armed with the knowledge to create stunning color schemes using purple, pink, and their perfect complements. Don't forget, the most important part is to experiment and have fun with your designs. Happy coloring!